3 months ago, Alex had no idea that AI would change his life forever. At the end of this video, you'll know exactly how an AI-driven morning routine stacks up against a classic human hustle, and which one put more money in Alex's bank for 30 days. 30 who's competing. Meet Alex in AI morning, let's set the stage. Meet Alex. He's 28, lives in Austin, Texas, and works freelance gigs, writing copy, flipping collectibles, and dabbling in the stock market. Last year, he was barely scraping by. This year, he's hearing about everyone using AI for routines, for work, for making money. But is it real or just hype? So we put it to the test. For 1 month, Alex spends 15 mornings
with a routine created entirely by an AI assistant, while 3 connected to his accounts via API, and 15 mornings on his usual old-school messy schedule. Catch, we track every dollar, minute, and misstep. Which routine puts more cash in his account by month's end? What surprises pop up along the way? 200, the 30-day money challenge. It all started on February 24th, 2026. Alex plugs his habits into Claude 3, prompts it with, design my perfect money-making morning, be ruthless, optimize for earnings, not comfort. First day AI, Alex hit the ground running. No Instagram scrolling, no snooze button. By 7:30 a.m., Alex had rebalanced 2 ETFs using Robinhood's new auto trader portfolio up 9% in week 1, sent 3 AI-generated cold pitches, updated his Fiverr profile, AI flagging trends in copywriting jobs, regular Alex. Spent 20 minutes doom scrolling, then hit the same old to-do list, no automation. By day 5, the numbers started to divert. AI Alex, $163 banked, mostly from a surprise micro-copy gig AI sourced overnight. Human Alex, $47, 1 residual Spotify royalty, $1.15 eBay flip. Then the friction starts. 400 complications hit hard, here's where it gets interesting. By week 2, Alex hit burnout. The AI routine was relentless, every minute optimized. There was zero downtime and headaches followed. Then human error. One morning the AI suggested an aggressive ETF rebalancing. Robinhood executed instantly, but the market dipped. Alex lost $82 in a single morning. Human Alex started feeling the FOMO. Tried to one-up the AI, making riskier moves, like launching an ad campaign at 7 a.m. Lost $27. Pattern intro. Graph animation. AI vs human earnings diverging, then crashing together. Would Alex bounce back or burn out? 600 the big reveal. Who won? But the real surprise is coming. It's March 25th. Final morning. Italia. AI morning routine total profit. $724. 33 major wins. Micro gigs, auto ETF gains, 2 freelance jobs landed while Alex slept. Major fail, that $82 ETF mistake, and a week-long stress headache. Human routine total profit. $317. 20 wins. A big one-off gig found by taking a coffee break, routine human networking, and 1 rare Pokemon card flip. Losses, more wasted time, fewer opportunities discovered, but less stress and more spontaneity. 700 lessons in what you should try next. So, what did we actually learn? AI genuinely helped Alex make more money, but at cost, more stress, near meltdown, and a few bad AI trades. Human Alex made less, but felt less like a machine and caught 1 big opportunity by being present. Which routine should you
try? Here's our honest take, blend them. Use AI to spot opportunities and automate grunt work, but keep your own judgment, set boundaries. AI is powerful, but not infallible in 2026. Want to try Alex's AI routine? Links are below for every tool we use. Or if you'd rather keep it old school, tweak just 1 habit for a week and see what happens. If you found this showdown valuable, subscribe for more brutally honest AI money experiments. And if you want to see the side hustles that actually paid us in 2026, watch this next. 800N.